So this morning I'm actually going to show you with the Jamberry wraps how you actually, if you wanted to, split a sheet of these. That's not a good one to show because it's too yellow. Alright, so here's a full sheet of the wraps, as you can tell. And I'm going to show you how to cut these down so that if you wanted to, you could split them with a friend. It helps with saving money, or if you're, let's say, buying some holiday wraps and you know you're not going to be able to use an entire sheet before the holiday's over, unless you're just going to redo them maybe twice to be able to wear them on your nails maybe for an entire month. This is a good way to get more wraps for your money and split them with your friends if you wanted to. Alright, so it's very easy. As you can tell in the wraps here, there's enough space in between here to cut down the middle. Now, of course, it doesn't have to be completely straight, but whenever I cut mine, I just try to make sure that I don't cut on either side of the wraps. Okay, so just get you a good pair of scissors here. Let me see if I can adjust this camera angle real quick. Okay, so you just take your scissors. I'm going to try to get as close as possible so you can see what I'm doing here. Here we go. And I just ever so slightly and slowly, so I can make sure I'm not hurting anything on the wraps. Let's just cut these down the middle here. And this is the September 2016 Trendy Style Box. And I've actually got a good friend of mine who is going to get this other half here. So one's mine and one's going to be hers. And those are actually going to be going in the mail today. So if you're watching this, you know who you are. It's coming soon. All right, so that's that one. And then so I'm going to cut this other one. This one's really yellow. So in the camera, it's really hard to be able to tell it. It looks more like clear, but it's actually yellow with just some white designs in the midst of it. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. So I'm just going to take my scissors. Sorry, I'm not very good at this angle thing. And just ever so slightly cut down the middle, slowly, to make sure I don't get any of the edges of the wraps. And so now I have 4 half sheets of both sheets of this trendy September 2016. And so these will be my friends and these will be mine for me to wear on my nails. So, you know, if you were, let's say, to buy, let's say, 2 Halloween wraps and your friend were to buy 2 other maybe autumn wraps that are out now, then you both would have 4 half sheets of the holiday wraps versus just 2 each. So it saves on money. It can even save you on shipping if that's a concern. So just wanted to kind of share that with you ladies this morning on ways to save money, as well as how to cut these down so that you can share them with your friends, or even for consultants, so that if you're using them as a incentive of some sort, you know how to cut them down without being concerned about hurting them. So, all right, good morning. If you got any questions, just comment below. Thanks. Bye.